Good morning, world. It's 5:28 in the morning. So I wake up early kasi I want to see the sunrise. And hindi ako gano'n nakatulog because of runny nose. So I took paracetamol na this morning. And also, since this is my very first quality solo travel this 2026, I just want to share kung ano yung mga usually na dinadala ko kapag nagta-travel ako. First is ito yung medicine. This is my I call it medicine kit. Sa lahat ng mga importante sa buhay ko, when I travel, I bring this with me. So I have here my inhaler because I have asthma. And also yung paracetamol for colds. And also I have here for cough. And what else? Ang hindi pwedeng mawala sa buhay ko is yung yan, antihistamine. Kasi lately na-trigger yung allergy ko sa food. So, hindi ko sure kung titrigger ulit anytime. So, lagi ako may not just for it's for everyone as well. Kung halimbawa may allergy, at least tayo for agency, right? And then, of course, hindi nawawala yung the ones that I'm taking para fresh pa rin. Then I have here my glutathione. So this is the glutathione I'm taking from Uglo Babe. And then this one naman yung fourth. This is a vitamin E, vitamin C plus zinc. So yan. And then what else? Okay, so this is my hygiene kit. Okay, so ano yung laman ng hygiene kit ko? Usually put it dito sa ziplock para if in case na mag-spill siya, at least safe siya. Hindi madudumihan yung gamit ko. Okay, so I have here my, of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang sunscreen. This also from UBabe. So I have these two products from them, and the glutathione and then yung screen. So talagang ginagamit ko ever since na nakilala ko yung products na to, yung brand nila. Very effective siya for me. So itong sunscreen nila, very light texture niya. So mag-apply pala ako nito kasi I'm going outside na. So let's see. Okay. So look at the texture. Ganyan siya. And then pag in-apply natin, ang bilis absorb ng skin and hindi siya sticky. Ito yung mga sunscreen na hinahanap ko. Yung hindi sticky. Tsaka yung hindi ka mukhang espasol pag in-apply mo. Yun yung usually kasi na tinitingnan ko sa quality ng sunscreen. Ito kasi para kang foundation after. So may glow effect din siya after actually. So ito yung gagawin ko my face and neck. And when you go outside, dapat may sunscreen pa rin kayo kasi protect your skin from yung UV light, and then syempre para protection ng skin, gano'n nga, harmful elements pag nasaan harmful element kaya yung okay, so ayan, ganyan siya. Diba? I have pimple over here. Yeah. And then I also have here yung sunscreen and sunblock for body. So I usually use Belo kasi merong SPF PA60. So, ito naman, non-sticky din siya, paraben free. So, yun naman yung hinahanap ko na sunscreen. So, we will update the arms, legs. Important sunscreen kahit hindi kayo mag-beach. Ako, I use sunscreen talaga whenever I go out. Kaya, ang hinahanap ko sa sunscreen ay yung mga non-sticky and yung very light sa rami. Kasi yung mga sunscreen, yung apply, ang lagkit niya, diba? And even sa Sean, hindi. So, si Bello, hindi siya ganun. Kasi nga sticky siya. So, once na in-apply mo siya, para ka lang din na lotion. Quickly absorbent. Kaya, I highly recommend this. So, kasi ako, nag-watch ako. I have to put sunscreen under then. So, is green pa. Ano siya? Resistant. So, kaya ba siya? Okay lang. So, hindi naman to the point na nakalublob siya all that time. So, yung mga splash of water, kaya niya. So, na-try ko yung watch na to when I went to Mount Makiling Peak nung nag-hike ako sa Mount Makiling Peak. Is 2-hour trail sa loob ng rainforest. Talagang ulan siya sa loob. So, doon ko napanayan yung niya, durability niya. Until now, nag-work pa naman. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang yung watch na yung ko. Okay, so let's apply kabila. Para apply yung sunscreen. Ako usually put a little amount here. Then, tsaka ko siya spread. Kayo ba, how often kayo nag-green when you go outside? Or when you go to the beach? Kasi hindi siya dapat once kayong mag-apply, no? Lalo na kapag medyo mahaba yung oras nyo sa labas. So, you have to put your sunscreen or your sunblock. Lalo na pag nasa beach kayo. Para protected kayo. So, ang sabi ko is, apply liberally onto dry skin before sun exposure. Reapply as needed or after vigorous water activities, toweling, perspiring, or prolonged exposure. So, ako every 2 hours ako naglalagay. Pero, the moment na umahon ako sa tubig, at nakapag-dry up na ako, nag-a-apply ulit ako. Siyempre, ba nawawala yun when you soak in the water. Yan. So, I also need to apply sa legs. I still have my allergies. Yan na. Pangit na nga, nagpeklat. Peklat. Okay. So, ayan. I'm done with my sunscreen and sunscreen. I also have here. Ayan. So, I haven't tried this one. So, SPF 50 naman. See You Glow Babe. Since sunscreen siya, energy buckthorn. Ang protection niya, UVA plus UVB spectrum. And let's see, ano pa ingredients na meron siya, no? Well, yun yung nag-stand out sa kanya. Meron siyang sea buckthorn. Okay, kung ano man yan, let's research na lang. Okay, what else? I also have here, this wet antiperspirant deodorant in a prototype. Ito kasi ito ginagamit na ngayon bilang for kasi ginamit siya sa mga areas na pinipawin talaga. Kasi pawin ako. So, I usually spray yung mga antiperspirant. So, even if this is a deodorant for underarms, nag-experiment ako, ginagamit ko rin siya sa mga, yan, sa paa, dito yung sa likod ng this, ng tuhod, ayan. But I don't usually use sa underarm, kasi I don't like the smell. It smells like very strong scent ng pabango. So, it's not for me. What I usually use for my underarms is ito. Rexona. Yan. In powder dry scent. Kasi gusto ko yung amoy niya, baby powder. Yan. So, yan. Nakapaglagay naman na ako. So, okay na yan. And then, of course, shampoo. And then, for my hair, hindi pwede wala ang keratin. Because I have curly hair. Importante ang yung softness. So, pag di soft yung mukha siyang buruha. If you're familiar with, sino ba ito character nito? Si Brave. Yun. So, yung buhok niya, ganun ako kapag hindi ako naglalagay ng internet. So, I need talaga this. So, I usually bring 1 or 2. Depende lang araw ako saan. So, kasi, minsan kasi lang 10 minutes ma-convince. So, since tomorrow I'll go home, lang din na lang. Na-apply ko lang siya every other day. Of course, and baby powder. Of course, toothbrush. Brush ko, siya, yung soft, yung bread. And then, anong brand ba to? I forgot the brand. Pero to, gusto ko yung bristle niya kasi very soft siya. It's perfect for my desk. Hindi siya matigas. Also, I have here my moisturizer. Ayun lang. So, I hope you guys take care wherever you are.